Hey there, Tough Pets team. I came across your brand. I'd like to say well done getting high star ratings and Amazon Choice badge for your dog poop bag rolls. I know this is hard to achieve, and saying this is a job well done. My name is Pleasure from my Amazon guy. It's my goal to point out potential opportunities you may want to consider. First thing I'd like to talk about is traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing are keywords. I see that you're organically indexing for over 500, which gets you free traffic, but there's actually more keywords you can take advantage. You can check out this word cloud here. I would also recommend that you bid for more keywords. Well, it's good that you're running ads. This is the best way to grow sales if you know what keywords to target. But what we usually like to recommend is one paid for every two organic keywords. That's what we call the golden keyword ratio. And if we look at how your keywords are performing, we've got keyword phrases here sorted by search volume, and we have looked at some highly relevant keywords. Dog poo bags, there's over 81,000 searches, but you're not advertising. So even if you rank on the first page organically, it's would still be better if you can get more exposure by advertising for this keyword and getting seen twice for highly relevant keywords like this. And there's a lot of keywords that you're on a higher double to triple digits to, which means that you're buried deep in the Amazon search results. Say for dog poop bags, you're not on first page anymore, and this could be hurting your visibility. Now, if you look at how big your category is on Amazon, just in the top 50 listings on one keyword, dog poo bags, there's over 4.8 million pounds. The top sellers are taking advantage, generating 73,000 pounds. And if you look at your unit, you're able to sell 3,500, which is good, but we can still grow this by utilizing your click-through rate and conversion as part of SEO strategy. We have looked at some competitors like Beko. We're not comparing your products, but we'd like to look at their strategy here. They're able to sell 15,000 units, generating 144K. If we look at the keywords, they're organically indexing for 600, advertising for almost 300. So almost on that ratio already. And that's tons of keywords you can also bid on at Index 4. They also have good rankings, and that's more reason why they're able to outsell you. So to help you close the gap, we can run a keyword gap analysis. We duplicate relevant keywords to your listing and pick the high performing keywords from your top competitors. Finding these relevant keywords will help your product index for more. We can also help you with advertising, making sure we're targeting relevant keywords while doing it profitably. Back to your front end listing, the overall look of your listing is what drives conversion. Your title and bullets are the best areas for keyword indexing. Good job on maximizing your character counts. Just make sure to update them regularly as SEO is not set and forget. You have good images too. I like your infographics and lifestyle photos, but I would suggest demographics with human avatar. That's to build connection with your consumers, and it has been proven to improve conversion. Then we can add videos to add credibility to your listing while helping your listing stand out. I also like your A plus content. Well done with your images, but the text here, they're not readable by Amazon algorithm. Would be best to convert them to crawlable ones. I'm going to show you an example for that, and also for the brand story. I like that you've showcased other products. We can help you continuously improve this as well. Let me show you here a good example of a well optimized one. This one is Age of Sage, one of our works at my Amazon guy. We can see their A plus content here. You see they've added lots of great enticing and big images and videos. Also crawlable text, 500 to 1,000 words of copy to load with highly relevant keywords. A product grade for product comparison. And actually you can have up to 7 modules. Then a brand story, it's where you can talk about your brand to increase your brand awareness. Showcase other products with your hyperlinks to increase average order value while pushing down competitors showing up on your listing. We can also have alt text behind these images for common misspellings and Spanish keywords, which can be maximized to 100 characters per image. We highly recommend that you take advantage of all these features to help you not just with conversion, but also with keyword indexing and advertising. Those are just a few tips. And if you want to learn more, take advantage of our free consultation. Just click the book a call button at the end of the video or the link in my email. Choose your best schedule to speak with our Amazon expert for free. Learn more of our services and get your personalized quote aligned with your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency, managing over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving over 1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. Our team is hands on across all pillars of Amazon. marathon. PPC, SEO, catalog troubleshooting, creative, and brand protection. So whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data-backed strategies that deliver real results. Thank you for watching. We look forward to show you more opportunities. Have a good one.